Hello everyone, my name is Ivica. Thank you so much for being on my latest Unreal Engine beginner tutorial that will show you a really basic thing. How you can change colors of Unreal Engine materials in a really quick and easy manner. Now, I have created a lot of materials in my previous YouTube tutorials, and this is super simple and super effective, super easy to do, but I realized that I never actually made a video that showcases this really beginner, super beginner element that a lot of people who try out Unreal Engine, usually for the first, second, third time, want to kind of do immediately. It's a basic thing, you want to get a material and change the color of it, but then you kind of don't figure out how to do that immediately, and this video will show you just that. So first of all, we're going to create a new material. I'm going to right click and then choose material. I'm going to call it color, a really colorful name, if you know what I mean. And we're going to open up its editor by double clicking on the same material. And here we have it. It has basically nothing on it or in it. We want to edit only this node. This is base color, and we're going to do that through the use of a single node, which is called constant 3 vector. Now I'm going to again right click to open up my search engine inside of Unreal Engine, and I'm going to go for constant 3 vector. Here it is. And the basic thing to think about or know about constant 3 vector is that it presents the ability or option of changing those 3 colors RGB like any other 3 vectors. Now it's a bit more complicated than that. There is the explanation that kind of allows you to better understand it, but for this tutorial it is basically a color palette, nothing more. And we're going to connect it to base color and open it up by double clicking on it. And here we have the same color picker. As you can see, you have your RGB, you have your basic palette right here, and you have these 2 scale saturations and value. We're going to move these and edit these to get, for example, some kind of a bluish tint. Let's place it here on saturation and on value somewhere around here. And the parameters have changed. You also have the advanced, these are the advanced options. You can use them only these simple options right here. You have your color theme manager, but the easiest way is to basically choose a color here, set its saturation and value, and here we have it. Just like that. You need to save it. Unreal Engine will require a moment or two to get the preview done. Don't get confused by that. Often users of Unreal Engine are kind of distraught by the fact that they change something and the preview is not adapting. Here it is. It takes a second or two. Now we're going to move this tab and dock it right here, and we're going to apply the same color in the game world. Again, it takes a bit of time to kind of get in the complete level, but that's your base color right there. Now we're going to try it out in the game itself and see how it looks like. And here it is. As you can see, the color is right there. It's a nice bluish tint, and it's in the game level. It has been adapted to the same object or material mesh. And after that we can again go back to the color editor and change it again to whatever we like. Again, a double click. You can go to something like red, set the saturation here, value here. Again, it will take a moment or two to adapt and to get the preview ready, but it is working as it's supposed to. And that's basically the whole process behind changing and adapting your materials in terms of base color, and there's nothing more to it. Lastly, again, don't forget the update in the game, in the level, in these icons will take some time. Don't get confused by that. It's there If you don't not getting any errors or anything, you did it right, and it's going to work just fine. So there you have it. This is a really simple tutorial, really a beginner, super beginner level, but still one that I believe is important and useful. The use of constant 3 vector and base color allows you to modify any color of any material you'd like. That's all for this short Unreal Engine beginner tutorial video, super beginner, ultra mega beginner tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ivica. If you'd like to support me, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, leaving a comment if you have any questions. There is also a bunch of ways how you can support me in the description below. Check them out, but the easiest way is to simply subscribe and check out my new videos. Until then, until that new Unreal Engine beginner tutorial video, thank you so much for watching, and see you in most likely a week from now. Until then, have loads of fun in your Unreal Engine levels. Bye bye.